Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And well, even though the S22 Ultra is the biggest and the baddest flagship of the year, Samsung has made another one of those questionable decisions, but there is also some good news to make up for it. Also guys, for more such videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, it is completely free. Let's go with the good news first. We all know and expect that the S22 Ultra will be fast, but even I did not think it will be that fast. According to new leaks, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have the fastest response in any stylus smartphone tablet out there. The response time of the S Pen on the S22 Ultra will be 2.8 milliseconds, which is more than 3 times faster than the S Pen latency present on the Note 20 Ultra, which had a latency of 9 milliseconds. This will make the phone on pen experience feel more and more like actual pen and paper because of the less latency. Samsung is also expected to give 45 watts of fast charging on the S22 Ultra, which is absolutely not on the level of 120 watt chargings and likely won't be as fast as 65-67 watt chargings on other phones, but should be faster than other 45 watt phones because Samsung's chargers are very well optimized and they lose less energy during the process compared to other smartphones. Now this is all good news, but there is a bad news as well. So usually and often the S Ultra is the biggest smartphone with the biggest number. Whether they are actually useful or not, that's a different question, but they always have the biggest number in any smartphone every year. This year however, it's a little bit different as the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have 8 gigs of RAM. The 8 gigs of RAM could be the base variant and it could max out at 12 gigs if a spec sheet from YouTuber ZTechCare is to go by. And according to this, the base model will have 128GB of storage and it will max out at 512GB. I do also want to remind you that we have heard many rumors about there being a 1TB variant on the S22 Ultra, so these leaks might not be super accurate and do take them with a grain of salt. The RAM on the past Samsung Ultra phones have always been a minimum of 12 and the higher version have had 16GB of RAM. Even the 3 years old Note 10 Plus had 12GB of RAM and 256GB of minimum storage, so we are going in the wrong direction if there is an actual 8GB 128GB spec. You might not notice the lack of 4GB of RAM right now, your phone won't be slow because of the lacking 4GB, but it is useful for future proofing and I did not expect this super flagship ultra smartphone to have just 8GB of RAM, and the base storage at 128GB is something you will very much notice. It should be minimum 256. I'm clearly not a fan of this decreasing RAM and base storage variant, so let me know, are you guys okay with this choice from Samsung? Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the S22 Ultra, hit the like button if you enjoyed, you can also say hi to me on the socials, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.